So hello guys, welcome back to this brand new video. So today in this video I'm gonna tell you how you can fix Snapchat crash on Android and iOS. So guys, this you have to know, and let's go and check it out. So guys, at first you have to go in your data connections. If your data is off, then make sure that it should be on. So guys, after that you have to go in your check whether your Snapchat is updated or not. So guys, you have to check your Snapchat is that update or not. For that you have to go in your Play Store. So guys, and after going in Play Store you have to go in your profile, and after going in profile, manage app and device. So guys, I have updated my all our apps. So guys, I don't have any important. So guys, if you have not updated till now, then make sure that you should be updated. So guys, doing after this, you have to come in number third, that you have to delete the Snapchat app if it doesn't work. After deleting these Snapchat apps, uh, you have to come for number four. You have to come in, switch off your phone and switch on it. So guys, you have to switch off your mobile once. If it doesn't work, after that you have to reset your mobile once. So guys, and after that, when you gonna switch on your mobile, after that you have to go for reinstall the Snapchat app, and then login into your account. The problem will be solved. So guys, doing after this you have to go for our settings. You have to go for settings. So after going in settings, you have to go for our app management. You have to go for app management. So after going in app management, you have to go in your app list. So after going in app list, you have to search for a Snapchat account. So guys, after coming here, you can see this. You have to click this force stop, and after clicking this force stop, you have to come in storage users, and you have to clear cache, and you have to clear data. After that, you have to come in the permissions, and you have to come in the storage and make sure that it should be allow. So guys, this how you have to do in this video, and I hope that it will really work it. So guys, this is the video, and thanks for watching this video. And guys, don't forget to subscribe the channels, and don't forget to like. So guys, thank you for watching this video.